the calendar. Students, don't make noise. Tell me, what is it on the wall? Madam, this is a calendar. Tell me, of which year this calendar is, Priya? This calendar is of the year 2002. Ajay, what is written on the top?
It is a name of the month.
Tell me the names of the 12 months.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December.
What is written downward on the left side?
Madam, these are the names of the days.
Very good. Sachin, what are these numbers for on the right side?
Ma'am, these are dates.
What is the date today?
Today is the 14th of August.
How many holidays are there in a week?
There are 2 days, ma'am, Saturday and Sunday.
Very good. You all are very brilliant.